Hello and welcome to x-dream news. We are happy to announce that x-dream Group will be hosting an exclusive open house event together with Aicox, our long-standing reseller partner in Spain. The event will take place on the 4th of April at the Aicox office in Madrid. It will offer an exclusive behind-the-scenes look into the latest developments and product features and gives pre-NAB insights into streamlining production and post-production workflows. We will be accompanied by our vendor partners Woody Technologies, Capella Systems, Squared Paper, Projective and Fortra, who will be showcasing their software solutions tailored for various stages of production and post-production processes. We are particularly looking forward to presenting our in-house developed end-to-end solution x-dream Fabrik. We will be very happy to welcome you in Madrid. Also, there are more open houses coming your way, so please stay tuned for dates, times and more details. See you soon!